Hey, what's going on, guys? I work with a lot of men who are working professionals and a lot of people that work at their desk, and they get a lot of upper back and neck pain. And today I'm going to show you some stretches and some things that you can do while working at your desk. Number one, of course, is going to be aware of your posture. The first thing I'm going to recommend to you is, obviously you hear it all the time, to sit up straight and have your belly come in, but I want to show you this little trick that if you have a standing desk, we talk about this in our core series within our app all the time, that if you have arch in your back, typically because your knees are locked out, your gut and all that is spilling forward, what's going to lead to back pain. If you bend your knees and tuck your pelvis, now you're into a more neutral spine, which is going to take a lot of pressure off your back. Here's the hidden secret. If you're at a standing desk, and if I just elevate my foot, it helps to move my back naturally into a neutral spine position. Fun fact, this is actually why they have those little step stools at the bar, so you can have that pressure off your back so you can stay at the bar longer. So if you do this, have a little stool while you're working and think about your upper back, it'll actually take a lot of pressure off your back. But if you're sitting, you already know that you're supposed to be sitting more upright and all that good stuff. But a couple of things you can do too is just throughout the day, if you can associate like every hour on the hour, make a habit of doing a couple of stretches, it'd be really good for you. Number one, you could take your opposing leg and you can just give yourself a little twist and alternate sides. I'm hooking my hand here to help open up our chest. Being on the computer a lot, texting, driving, all of this stuff makes our chest and shoulders very tight. So we want to do our best to open that up, which leads into another great stretch. You can get on the wall and push your arm at a 90-degree angle. And if you have your arm that's up, have the leg out in front. And what I want you to do is actually physically push your shoulder into the wall really hard for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can back out of it and let it stretch for a second. If you do this contract, relax method, you'll find that as you push and work to get that muscle to get relaxed and released, you'll be able to go deeper and deeper into the stretch. And after you do that 3 times, you can actually straighten your arm and get a big stretch here. A lot of the neck and upper back issues are all stemmed from having a tight chest. So those are a couple of stretches for you. 1, taking the pressure off the back. 2, getting some active range of motion to strengthen your back muscles, stretching it out with your arm at 90 degrees. And then I doubt you have a foam roller at your office, but when you get home, here's another one that you can do, which is going to feel amazing on your upper back. If you put this right in the middle of your back and you put your hands right over your head or crossing the back, whichever one's more comfortable, you can begin to work some extension here. You can extend back, and you want to work gradually up and down your thoracic spine, which is just below your neck. And then here's another trick. If you can do a little twist and then go back, really will begin to free up and unlock all that stiffness that is going on in your back. Now, within the K-Squared Fitness program, we teach all of our clients, all of our men, working executives, how to improve their posture, strengthen your back, and you got a little glimpse of what we do. If you want to learn more, you can click the link down below and we'll tell you everything about it. Try those stretches out, you're going to feel a lot better. See you in the next one.